Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we will learn how to add Facebook pixel to Squarespace in 2025. Without further ado, let's get started. You have to get your pixel ID into Facebook first. So just simply go to your Facebook and just simply go to the Meta Business Suite. And now from here, just simply go to the All Tools over here on the left side. So once you click on All Tools, just simply go for the Events Manager over here. Or if you don't see this, you can just simply use the search bar over here and search for Events Manager. And now from here, just simply click on the Events Manager over here, and after that, you should be able to see your Pixel ID. And now from here, this will be your Pixel ID, so just simply copy this one. So once you have copied it, now let's go ahead and go to Squarespace first. Just simply go to your site, and after that, just simply go ahead and just simply use the search bar at the top over here and just search for a pixel. And from here, you should be able to see something like this, Meta Pixel and Ads. So just simply click on that, and from here, just add your pixel ID. And after that, just simply click on Save on the top. And we are done. Thanks for watching. Before leaving this video, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos and contents. Peace out.